Mr. Jinbel Pinette.
Hello guys, this is John Karam from Kuhol Garage and I'm here right now at the paddock area of the Batangas Racing Circuit for the FTW race weekend, full throttle weekend FTW, and I am here right now as a spectator checking out the beautiful cars that are competing and joining today, and hopefully you guys will also enjoy the things that I will be seeing and capturing at this instance. Alright, let me show you guys around. Sir, unit nyo to? May big body din kasi ako eh. Kaya naku-curious ako eh. Pero makina ko 1NC. Yun yung ano. Pero re-review ko sa apps.
Hindi ito yun. Iba pa yun.
Once again, all participants in Group
2. Nakita mo ba yung content?
Dati ba yun?
Ang sinabi mo?
Wala.
Wala?
Binibidyohan niya, nagbibidyo.
Japan. From Japan.
Pag may nadaanan ka, duro.
Surplus.
So, what's up guys? So,
Ano, you're gonna pretend na YouTuber kayo? Di naman ako YouTuber eh, pal din ako eh.
kuya, paano mag-rev match?
Rev match, usually sa downshift yun eh, sa downshift. So, minsan kailangan mo mag-blip ng throttle, you're decelerating, you're on the brake. You're on the brake with your left foot. Tapos pag magka-clutch in ka, kung magka-clutch in ka, maggaganong ka.
Sasabayin ba?
I-blip mo yung throttle. Ha? Ito?
Full throttle.
200 kaya. Fast, very fast car. Kaya 200, very fast car.
Rev match.
Yeah.
これ
yeah, fair lady.
S30
Yes.
28を3リッターフルチューンして今やったら 3.2 やわこっちの 3.2 やこれ、ワークス昔な、45年ぐらい昔エンジンですフルチューンや
はい。
これ箱スカ箱スカ2持ったフェアレディも2
Fair lady 2. Okay.
で箱スカも2
Okay.
今1000万以上する箱スカフェア
Okay.
レディ
10 million plus daw yung ano.
持っとったら
Yeah,
ako
expensive.
今わら
Expensive.
もうなこれがいいねんな今高いこれ
Yeah, takay.
友達持っとんの友達
R32.
DTR の32
Sunny.
R32 これ高い
はい。
32、33、34単33友達持ってる車ばっかせこんなん見てわかんない
セット。
フェアレディ
Yeah.
ニューフェアレディ
Yes.
And number one at the grid, we have Mr. Patrick Hesse, followed by Mr. Wesley Sides. Rose X Siege, this is going to be a very interesting race to see if the VW can keep its position against the Lotus X Siege. Well, what's more interesting is to see how the Advantage is going to perform against all of these competitors. And with that huge power gap, I think the Advantage has upwards of 400 or 500 wheel horsepower tops compared to these other guys we have. But still, what's going to be an important factor here is drivers.
F1 oh. Yung F1 walang ano yan, walang limit yan. Ito may limit kasi ayaw nilang masira auto nila.
Sarili nila yan eh. No?
Oo.
Eh kasi pag ganun eh, company.
Okay, so we also have Happy Hotels. So create happy memories with Happy Hotels. And last but not least, Pedro Private Beer. And what did they offer? Well, obviously racing, gourmet food, and beer. What more could you ask for? Again, make sure to like and follow all our sponsors to get a free racing rig session at Corona Cafe. So for our audiences back at Corona Cafe, start liking all of these social media pages. Who knows? You just might be trying to do that. So it is very crucial to take each of these curves lightly and take them all seriously. Mr. Jindal
So hey guys, we're just finished the morning session, watching the morning session of the races here at Full Throttle Weekend, FTW. And we just finished watching the European Touring Car races, which was won by 2 Lotuses and an Aston Martin. So it's a British 1, 2, 3 for the morning races. So we're done here. We're about to step out now, and hopefully you enjoyed a glimpse on what goes on the racetrack on this organizers racing event here at the Batangas Racing Circuit. So again, once again, my name is John Calum from Cool Garage, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Ciao.